In question 9, we're asked which of the following equations were used to map the values into our Carnot map. So looking at our Carnot map, let's see this. We know we use 2 to the n power, so we can use 4 things at once. We have these 4 right here, and then we have these 4 right here that we're going to look at. So looking at the ones in red first, we can see that our column is just CD. We can't look at the rows because they're all different. So we are going to have C, D, and this is going to be ORed with what we have in blue. We can't use the columns because they're all different, just like we can't use the rows in the red. So all we have here is a B. So the answer here is going to be E, where we have AB plus, which also means ORed with CD. When we have two things being multiplied together, remember that's AND. So the full kind of saying for this would be A and B, or C and D. And then we could use this to write a truth table, make a little circuit diagram, do whatever we want from this single Carnot map. However, that is not the correct answer. And that's because of what the instructions are asking us specifically. It's saying which of the following equations are used to map the values. So the key part is equations used to map the values. Now, if we just used A, B, ORed with CD, we would not get this. So let's erase all this. In fact, if we just use A, B, ORed with CD, yeah, we would definitely not get this. We need to fill in all of these values. So we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things right here. And so to fill in 7 spots, we need 7 different statements. So it's not going to be this, not going to be this, obviously not will be this, and it will not be this. Now let's count these. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 statements. So let's try to fill this in real quick. We have A naught and B naught with CD. So A naught and B naught, it's going to be in here. Well, A naught's going to be in here. And then A is going to be in here. And then our B is going to be in here, and the rest are B naughts. So we can also fill out the rest of this. So this is going to be C naught, this is going to be C, and this will be D. So we have A naught, B naught, C, D. Well, we will have our A naught here, B here, and this falls in C, D. So that's the 1, and then we have A naught, B, C, D. So we're going to be in A naught, we have B here, and it's C, D. And we would just keep going along with the rest of these, plugging these in, but just from counting it, we can see that this would be the actual correct answer. Make sure to read the instructions.